Hi, this is Souza. I was born and raised in Brazil. And exactly 10 years ago, I moved here. And my background is I started as a developer, worked as an IT support, and worked as a Salesforce admin. And currently, I'm working as a Salesforce developer for Southern Glazers and Wine and Spirits.
That was great. We're done. Let's get out of here. No. What would you say is your primary goal for joining Cloud Code Developer Kickstart program?
I decided to take the program to go through the experience myself and also to write code and prove that I can write code. I didn't believe myself that I could actually write Apex and all of that. Also that I can struggle and, figure out solutions by asking, Googling, ChatGPT, that I struggled in college so that I could do well in this program and have a different experience compared to that time. Also, one of my goals was to deliver the homework and the capstone in the least amount of time possible. And then throughout the program, I really enjoyed helping others. And I think that grew the sense of community and working with others. One of the reasons as well was to make connections in people that were in a similar situation as myself, trying to get into Salesforce development. And they were trying to figure out how and what was the best path.
And I think we talked about it before. You have definitely completed the program the fastest I've ever seen, but you were also absorbing all of the material, which was really great. Anytime that we gave you feedback, you were quick to get on top of it, understand what that issue was or what that problem was, and change your code so that it really updated and it was more professional. Getting to that senior developer type of level. That was really great. What are your thoughts on the feedback process and the overall idea about the program being like live and having these weeks that you go on? Did you like that, or did you try to do things more self-paced?
I really enjoyed the feedback because I think, as I have seen before, the feedback is a way to help you to grow. I compare this to being a writer. You can only be a writer or a better writer if someone is helping or giving feedback, or you have that instant feedback that you can get it better. That being said, I think when we're writing code, which is something a little bit more complex sometimes, when you have someone guiding you through the process, I think it helps you to shape and write better code in a short period of time, because instead of like going to work with all those bad habits, you're already learning from this program how to write clean code. And especially if you go to GitHub and interviews, and if you show that, I think that could be something good. I would say that the feedback was really, really important. I think was one of the best things that I really enjoyed in the program. A live week one, then feedback. And I was just like, wow, this is amazing. I never had this before.
Cool. Yeah, I think from our side, that's something that I really wanted to bring to the program, because I don't know about you, but I have signed up to many different like courses and like programs before, and sometimes it's really hard to stick with it when you don't have that accountability and you don't really know if you're doing things the right way. It's easy to just follow along in a YouTube tutorial and you don't really know if you're learning anything, but when you have a senior developer or somebody that's giving you feedback and different ways to try things, it can really help you like stretch and think about how to build things differently and properly.
On the feedback, the one thing that I would say that was a plus, I received feedback from 2 senior developers, Chase and yourself. I think that was great. I can't express how helpful that was.
After completing the program, how have you progressed? Do you feel like you have gotten done what you've expected? What are your thoughts there?
Going through that in a bootcamp style helped me to go to interviews and nail all of them. And I would say the few interviews that I had, I made finals. And talking to technical people was much easier because I was coding every day. So DML questions, SOQL, SOSL, and integration, and like all of that, I was doing it. I think it helped me a lot. I think the program and the group and as a whole, doing the program, it helped me to get my role before finishing the program. it gave me a good base to go and nail interviews with multiple companies and big names.